So we are gonna try this out. This is not something I normally do, but we will try it out. I'm not comfortable doing this, but a lot of people seem to do this all the time. You know, they record themselves. Hi, Griffin. So you can just wait right there while I do this. Okay, so I joined Rednote a long time ago, a few months back. If you don't know what that is, it's basically the Chinese version of TikTok. And I did this when TikTok was going to be banned, and a lot of Americans, United States of America, went over and joined it because they thought that they were never going to have TikTok again. So I joined it too, just to see. And I'm always curious about other social media. So I joined Rednote, and I actually made some great friends. One in particular is Kecan. I hope I'm saying your name right. I really do. And she draws sketch cards, right? And I've met a lot of amazing sketch card artists on Rednote that just blow my mind. So Kecan, again, I'm sorry if I am saying it wrong, and I decided to do an art exchange. Now, she sent her sketch card already. I have not even started mine because I'm working on so many sets, but I owe her a sketch card. So what I'm going to do is, the package arrived a few days ago. I have been holding off to open it, but I wanted to record doing it so that I could at least show everyone and see what this is. Okay, so here we go. So hopefully I get everything in the shot. I kind of hope I did. Now remember, this is supposed to be a sketch card. A sketch card. Look at the size of this box from China. Now I ripped off my information label already. So I'm gonna open this up. From Kecan. Okay. On Rednote. So we open this up and there are several things. Okay, let's move this box out of the way. And some bubble wrap. We have two boxes here. Now this can't be a sketch card because it's a little smaller. Let's open this up. What is in here? Holy, feel the weight of that. Okay, I'll show you in a sec. What's in the other one? Oh, that's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so that it doesn't. Oh. Okay, hold on. I gotta show you this. You're gonna love this. But anyways, okay, so these are magnets of her art. You see that? And it's thick. Almost dropped it. Art originals from life for David Duke. Look at that. Look how amazing. Okay, let me put that one down. Here's another one. There's weight to this. This one says, "Be happy every day." With the gold ink. Oh, yeah. Okay, so what is this big box? Oh, dogs are trying to get in this area. Fence them off, but look at this box. Look at this. Wow. Oh, it's got a magnet. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look how they presented their card inside this box, with the felt. We are so behind. So behind. We have to up our game. That is so cool. That is so cool. I'm gonna open the top loader. What? Wait, there's 2 cards in here. There's 2. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the protective sleeves here as well, just so that the reflection is, well, I'm shaking, my fingers can't work. But I gotta take it out of the protection because I don't want it to be, you know, the reflection so you can't see the artwork. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's move over here. So this is the back of Kecan's card. And you can see she signed it and dated it. Let me put this down again. And this is the back. And there's my name on there too. All right. Okay, so the first one, take a look at this card. Now she put this like epoxy resin on the top. So it has this, it keeps like, you see these like, there's also like little flecks in there. And like, even in the artwork, but look at the detail of that. Holy cow. Are you not impressed? Okay, I'm gonna show you the other one. Be very careful. Look at it. Look at that. Like the koi fish, everything. And there's like little sparkles in the paint, like in the gold areas. Like anything, or even the metallic. This is so amazing. Look at that detail. Holy cow. Are you impressed? Because I'm impressed. Oh my Lord. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Kecan. Thank you. And I really need to up my game and send you something amazing. Take care, everybody.